Hello, welcome everyone to question sort and arrays of zeros, ones, two. From the topic arrays in GFG must coding questions. Now in this question we have been given an array. It's called 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, and we have to find out how many zeros, ones, twos are there without using space complexity mode. Okay, the space complexity should be O1 in this case. So what we're going to do is we're going to count how many zeros are there. We're going to count how many ones are there, and we're going to count how many twos are there. Okay, how many zeros are there? Two zeros. We have one, and we have two number of twos. Fine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace this array elements. Okay, we're not using any extra variable. Okay, we are concatenating the number of zeros, ones, twos, and replacing the values by array values. Okay, if we are using another variable to store this concatenation, then it will become on. But if we are directly replacing these values, then it will not be considered as on. Now let us see here. This is the 0. Okay, this is the 0 list. I will just say into number of times this has occurred, that will be 0, count 0. Now I will concatenate similarly all the elements like this, count 1, then I will concatenate 2, how many times it has occurred. So this will be exactly matching the length of the array list, and we will be replacing all those elements. After replacing, we will be getting the new array as 0, 0, 1, 2, 2. Since there are only 3 elements, we are able to sort it using the concatenation. Okay, I hope you have understood the theoretical part. If you have any doubt in the coding section, it will be very much clear after seeing the code. Let's go into the coding section now. We're in the coding section part of sorting zeros, ones, and twos, and we have taken 3 variables here. It will be keeping the track of zeros, ones, and two, and we have taken a loop here. In this loop we're going to count how many zeros, ones, twos are there. After that we are going to finally do the concatenation, okay, using the slicing method and concatenation. Here we have replacing the all the values inside the array. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in another question.